I'm Little John.
And I'm John.
And together we're Papa and Son Garage. Alright, we're back out here at the big giant freaking pumpkin, as you can see. Putting the ECU back in. So he's got it back. Getting ready to put it in. So sent it out, had a rebuilt done on it. You can see a big difference between the last video and now. Nice and cleaned up, all brand newbie, tested and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this back in, and then we'll fire it up and let you see what's going on. Okay, computer's in, bolted up. Put the back connectors here. You can't tell very well, but where my finger is, there's little small bolts. They're probably around an 8, maybe a slightly different. I used just a little miscellaneous socket I had sitting on my tray. It's a 9/32. Then you got 8mm bolts holding the ECU to the engine block. Make sure you clean up the back of that plate for the engine block. This ECU grounds through it, so it's very important. So we're actually ready to fire this up and see if everything's going to be good with it. Alright, here we go. I'm going to fire her up, make sure everything's good.
If you like what you see, hit like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified on upcoming videos.